What's up, everybody? Blazing up, Stewie back with another video. I'm definitely getting a little sick of opening llamas, but it's a good week. It is birthday week, and I'm having some pretty good luck with the llamas. Everything besides getting my legendary survivors, but I finally just got a second one, so I'm one away from getting the pumpkin launcher, whatever the name of it is. I don't even know. So here I am. I figured I would open legendary troll dash llamas. Here's the first one. I'm gonna get into the next one after this. I basically bought this for the tickets. I don't need anything anymore. Hope they introduce trading schematics and stuff soon. That'll be nice. I have a ton of stuff that I don't need. Here we go. Into our legendaries. Alright, legendary soldier or legendary constructor. I think I still need constructors for the book, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that. I think they're both pennies. Mega base Kyle. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take it. That's how I got my first one too, believe it or not. Still mythics, so I don't get why they would. And I still need a legendary survivor for the book. I need a shotgunner. Pretty sure this is gonna turn legendary, but we're gonna go ahead and take this. This can actually stay mythic. Oh well. This doesn't really matter. I forget who I need for the book. I'm gonna go ahead and take you. You know, I should do some research before I open them. Let's go ahead and check my collection book. You guys can see.
Funny bone. Stop it.
Alright, what were we looking for? Oh yeah, that's right. People, unique leads. Need a bunch of stuff. We do need inventors. I did drop the ball on that one, 100%. We definitely already had him in the book and in my backpack. So we need explorers, inventors, doctors. I guess I could have got lucky and got the last one. Whatever. Anything but engineers, yes. All right. And heroes, constructors. We're gonna go ahead and that big boy right up in there. Just because we already used the Mega Base Kyle. Oh, I get to choose from here? How cool. Alright, matters. Need another base. I actually don't know if I need base, so I need a tank penny and a plasma sentinel penny. That way I can slap my double right up in the collection book. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open this next legendary troll loot llama.
Okay, here's the pitch.
It's a fort.
Upgrade. Check out my. Oh.
You know what?
Go game.
You deserve this. I'm proud of you.
I was hoping to get a little extra tickets there, but damn, a lot of stuff to delete. That, take that. There we go, first one. What I need, I don't know if I'm gonna stick in the collection book or actually use it. Not bad. Curious. Survivors, she can't beat it. Bad. Alright, now this, we're gonna go ahead over one at a time still for whatever reason.
Bottom of the night. Oh. Remember me.
Wish we can get the blue gray survivors. Oh, come on, survivor. Oh, Marion Hawk, huh? What's so good about this guy? I don't understand why he's in this event. I forget where he was part of. Warcry, debilitating dodge, Linkman button. Alright. Mighty War, Power Impact, Frag Grenade, Lit. Decap. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using him. Alright. Next. I'm literally just hoping for. Alright, let's see who we need actually. What Nightmare. Indeed. We need Mr. Smasher. We've gotten so many lobbers. We finally got one trophy. But we need a Smasher. Bad. Alright.
Ooh, you hit the lake. Check it out. Adios.
All this stuff should be holiday loot again. I don't get it. Give me deep choices for shit I don't need. Vanguards. My legendaries. Fuck. Oh yeah, that's what I need. Another one of them. I don't have 7 of these in my friggin' vault right now. Alright, today's not a good day, but we're gonna go ahead and open the last one.
Please bunt. Please bunt.
Alright, come on, game. Give me the Smasher.
Woo!
Legendary Smasher. Oh. Don't know if I'm taking. I know I don't need this base Kyle. Come on, legendary smash. Ready to take this and see if we can change the perks on it. Come on. This one's energy. Yeah, I might take it. I might make this one fire. 719. Huh? Go ahead and. I'm gonna waste 500, but yeah.
That one.
Little treat.
That's me.
Axe. Nice. Silver.
No, there's still time left in the event for me to get more llamas, but. Really want to get that pumpkin launcher.
What are you waiting for? Adios.
Enjoy.
Oh well. Don't.
Yeah, take it on home.
Rock and roll.
Got a little V-Buck symbol underneath
And that's
the llama,
all
let you know you're wasting money. Ah.
Ooh, that's creepy. Oh yeah.
Kinda look like I'm
You
not gonna
got
get a
the
gold llama.
goods. Ooh, neat pitch. I'm feeling. Hey, check out this nice loot. This one's gonna sting.
Alright.
Upgrade.
Nope.
Oh yeah, pretty good.
Take the double ticket. Take the triple ticket. Love me these llamas. There we go.
Get ready for the gold rush.
Wish saw silver llamas gave more tickets, and then
Yeah,
gold llamas
take
gave
it on
even more
home.
tickets. That's how things should be.
Hey! And that's
All she wrote.
So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. Not bad. 100. Gonna go ahead and get right into it.
awful.
That was awesome.
I'm gonna take this because I already have 2 of them. Ah, damn it, man. Game don't love me. Good looking weapon, I'm gonna have to upgrade it. Back to 300. I'm gonna probably do some more and get a couple more llamas by the end of the night. They didn't add nothing to this. Nope. Yeah, I bought the other Hydra. Well, that's it for this video. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your boy Blazer Stewie out.